This is the student peer teach problem, example B, the triangle inequality range. You should be looking at this page, and what I'd like you to do is in 1 minute, I want you to go as far as you can, as fast as you can by yourself on this problem. At least read the instructions and see what you can do on your own. Go. All right, let's take a look and see what's going on here. All right, you are constructing a wall frame with 2x4 wood crossbars. The upright stud is 12 feet tall. The horizontal base is 4 feet. You want to cut a length of wood that could be a stabilizing crossbar. You want to see potential cuts in the dotted lines below. You want to find the range of the possible lengths that you could use as a crossbar in order to create a rigid, stabilizing triangle. That word triangle is the most important there. So we're going to let X represent the unknown side. So our unknown crossbar, whatever it is, we're going to call it X. All right? So I'm going to put X right there in the middle here. And then we have one length of 12, and we have the other length of 4. And we want to find the range of possible lengths you could make to make a stabilizing. So you're not looking for a single number here. You're looking for a range of the smallest and the largest length you can make here. So we're going to use monkey face to do this. We're going to do eyebrow, make an eyebrow, and smiley. Ready? The first eyebrow is going to be 12 plus X has to be greater than 4. That's the first eyebrow. The next eyebrow is going to be X plus 4 has to be greater than 12. That's the second eyebrow. And the smiley is going to be the 12 plus 4 has to be greater than X. We're going to solve for X in all 3 cases. So for this first case, number 1, we're going to minus 12 both sides. And if we minus 12 both sides here, we end up with X has to be greater than 4 minus 12 is negative 8. For the second one, we're going to minus 4 both sides to get X by itself. And in this case, we're doing X is greater than, and you do 12 minus 4, which is positive 8. And the last range is, you don't have to clear X. X is already by itself. You just add 12 plus 4, and we get 16 is greater than the value of X. Now to narrow down your range, we have to look at this logically, and one of these ranges we check out. We're talking about the length of a crossbar here. So negative lengths are impossible. You can't have a negative length, so you simply cross that out. And we are left, if you look very carefully, we are left with a range of numbers here for that crossbar. X has to be greater than 8. So 8 feet 1 inch would be the smallest possible crossbar, but less than 16. So it has to be greater than 8, right here, but less than 16. So this crossbar here, the longest length it can be is just under 16 feet, and the shortest length it can be is just over 8.